Baby, is that what I think it is?
FPS Cutscenes Mod installation. What if I told you that you could make every Deadpool cutscene look smoother and much sharper in just 2 minutes? This mod upgrades the game's cinematics to 60 FPS and replaces them with 1440p upscaled versions. Let me show you exactly how to install it. Step 1. First, download the 60 FPS Cutscenes Mod from Nexus Mods. Once the download is complete, extract the archive using your preferred file extraction software. Step 2. Now open your Deadpool installation folder. Navigate to the folder shown on screen. Copy all of the mod files from the extracted archive and paste them into the correct game directory. If Windows asks whether you want to replace the existing files, click Replace. Step 3.
Baby,
Once the copy process is finished, you're done.
This must be
Launch the game normally.
Why would there be?
The upgraded cutscenes will load automatically. There's no extra setup or configuration required.
If you saw
Here's a
what
quick
we saw, you
comparison.
wouldn't be saying
The original cutscenes are lower in resolution and less
We
fluid.
all saw what you
With
saw.
the mod installed, the cinematics play at 60 frames per second and are upscaled to 1440p, giving you a noticeably cleaner and smoother viewing experience.
Well,
If this
it's
guide
about
helped
time
you, leave a
someone
like,
recognized me
subscribe
and
for
throw us
more
apart.
Deadpool tutorials, mods,
Look,
and
there's
PC
Rogue
gaming
over in the
guides.
VIP section.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.